What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's lesson we're creating a simple pencil illustration of Spider-Man. For today's lesson we'll need a plain piece of white paper and a pencil. Now the first thing we want to do is add some guidelines to help with the balance and symmetry of our drawing. So I start at the very top of our page, right in the middle. Just going to lightly sketch a line coming down, just using these short lines. Pull that all the way down towards the bottom of our page. Now let's go back to the center and draw another line going across from left to right. Now we're going to use these two lines to help us create a square in the center of our page. So from that center point, let's move over towards the left to right about here. Draw a straight line going up, and then pull that back down. Now I want to measure this distance from the center over towards the right and do the same thing. So we're going to start by marking that off, making sure that they're the same length. Draw that straight line going up, and then down. Now you want to measure the same distance up towards the top. Draw a straight line going across from left to right to create two small squares on the top. And then do the same thing across the bottom, coming down to right about there and adding two squares across the bottom. And now we want to use this square to help us create a circle in the center of the page. Let's connect this point to the left side with a curve and go around and then down. Work our way across the bottom. And then in, and we can just go back and just smooth this out as best we can. Go all the way around our circle. Now we're going to go back and clean this up by taking out the square. Now once we finish cleaning up our drawing, we're going to go in and start adding some details, starting with the eyes. Now along the bottom of our circle, right in the middle, we're going to leave a gap. Let's go over towards the left. I'm just going to mark this off with a short line. Let's take that same distance over towards the right and do the same thing. Now right where that mark meets the bottom of our circle, we're going to draw a straight angle line going up towards the left side of our circle. And we'll do the exact same thing on the right. From the top of the line, we're going to step down. Let's curve the eye. We're going to come down, round out the eye. I'm just going to pull that up towards the inside point. Go back and smooth that out. Now from the bottom of the eye, we're going to draw a straight line going across towards the right. And this will help us line this up. We're going to do the same thing, coming down, around, and then up. We can also line up the top. Let's go back to the side of our circle, draw a straight line coming down. Now I'm going to bend the jawline. I'm going to come down, and we can always come back and modify the shape after. Coming down towards the middle. Now I'm going to go back in and just clean this up by erasing some of those guidelines. Now that we have the basic composition of the head, we're going to go in and refine the shapes. Let's start with the top of the eye. We're going to give this a slight bend, going up and then out towards that point. Do the same thing on the right side. Just darken up the edge of the eye. And now we're going to add that thick trim going around. So on the inside, we're going to step over, go around the eye. Now at the top, I'm just going to pull this up towards a point. Let's do the same thing on the right. Now from the top, we're just going to work our way around the eye. I just want to touch the side of the head, coming down, and then bend that back in. I'm going to go back and clean this up one final time. And now once we're happy with the general shapes, we can go in and just darken up our contours. So I'm going to start back at the eyes, just darkening up that outside edge. Now with the hair, we're just going to bump this out a little bit on the outside. And then just refining the shape. Let's round up the chin. Just taking out that point. And now we want to go in and start adding the webbing. We're going to start right in the middle, in between the eyes. We're going to bend this up and then in towards the center. I'm going to follow this all the way up towards the top of the head and just darken up that line, coming all the way down towards that center point. Now from the inside of the eye along the top, I'm just going to bend this web going out. I'm just going to pull that up towards the top of the head. And then we'll line that up on the right. And we want to bring that up towards the same height. So right here, bringing that down and then bending that in. Let's go back to the inside of the eyes. Curve this around, curve up and then down. Now on the left side, bend this down and then out. Let's line that up on the right. Let's go underneath the eyes, draw a straight angle line. Then add one more going up and then out along the side of the eyes. Now we're going to go in and add those webs going across. Let's start right in the middle of the forehead, bend this down and then up towards that outside line. Do the same thing on the right. We're just going to line this up and then bend this down and out in behind the eyes. Now let's go all the way up towards the top. To right about here, let's add another web. Coming down and out. And then from here, tuck this down and out in behind that point in the eyes. Let's move down towards the bottom and add one curve along the top and then one more across the bottom. Let's go back up to the top, bend this up and then out underneath the eyes. And now the last thing we're going to do is just fill in that trim around the eyes. So we're going to start from the very top on the left. I just want to darken this up. Now once we finish cleaning up our drawing, we'll be sure to sign our artwork, and that's pretty much it. There's a pencil illustration of Spider-Man. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.